Alright, what's up guys? It's your girl Hannah back with another video. So today I'm going to be putting together holiday outfits with pieces that I actually thrifted just today, and Abel is going to be in it and he's going to be rating some outfits. I do want to take a second to make a little disclaimer that the holidays shouldn't just be about looking cute, and is really a time, you know, where you're off from school, you have a break from work maybe, and you really need to take a step back and you realize that this is like a special break, and you should relax and not stress so much over trying to impress other people. It's really about the connections and the memories that you make, because they can really slip past if you don't take it all in, bro. Anyways, this video is sponsored by Pure Relief. Pure Relief is an awesome CBD company. They're online and they ship everywhere in the US. I absolutely love their relief rolls, their gummy bears. They really help with anxiety and stress. They also help with headaches and any kind of body pain you might be going through. If you're new to my channel, I actually just posted a video about my past 6 months using CBD and kind of reflecting on it all. So if you want to know more about it, I would recommend checking that out after this. They also have a new product out. It's their exclusive winter strain, the Snowman 1 gram joint. It's super cute. For 15% off, it's Blair 15, and you should hit the link below if you want to shop anything in their store. And stay tuned for the rest of the video. I'm kind of arguing with yourself. Put some shoes on and your jacket. God. Alright, what do you think?
I love the jacket.
You love the jacket?
What is the material?
Isn't this awesome?
Yeah, the thing is awesome. The color.
It's
what
like,
is this? It's like
I don't
leather?
know. But what about the whole outfit itself?
Yeah, I like the outfit itself. I'm not like a huge fan of those pants, but that's just my personal taste. But all in all, it really matches.
Just don't, you can't say that's my personal taste. Obviously all of this. Oh wait, Joey.
Lincoln. The animals is just
so, but we want to know why aren't the pants?
I guess they're just like, they give me just like office worker vibes.
I'll take that.
Yeah.
But what if I'm like coming to my office party?
This would be like the perfect outfit for
like,
a
I'm
nice
I'm coming from
party.
Work to our office parties.
I could see like myself wearing a me-size version of this. That's,
I found
love
it.
that
I'm pretty sure it's a man's jacket, but ooh, and like the inside is silk. Like, I literally got it at the thrift store today for like $10.
Really? Which thrift store?
Okay, but wait, what did you rate the outfit?
Outfit as a whole.
Like,
I would say I would give the outfit as a whole a solid 8.
Like if you saw me in public, you'd be like, that girl has good style.
Yeah, definitely.
Okay, but so I'm kind of making these outfits up on the spot, guys. So our second outfit.
I really like this one. I love the
yeah?
this white piece. The material again is just great. Ooh. And the like crop top tank top with the turtleneck is so adorable. Oh, it doesn't look as cute in the back. It looks more better than okay. And with that on, it looks beautiful. Yeah, this outfit is really nice.
Yeah, maybe like
thoroughly enjoy it. Yeah, I'd say this is like a 10. Well, I'll give it a 9.7.
Oh, okay. Making me work for it.
Yeah. I mean, a 10 is a perfect outfit. You can't just be throwing around 10.
So what's not perfect about it?
It is pretty perfect.
Maybe it's the color of the socks?
Yeah. I feel like if the socks were like the same color as this,
yeah,
that would be awesome. But
really,
still,
like a
really good
look.
Definitely the
Thanks.
look. The red and the white.
I just feel proud because I just came up with it like this right now, so. Right.
Oh, buddy. Ooh. Damn, that booty, bro.
Got the red dress with the green gloves.
I love the red dress with the red lipstick, too. It really makes it
Oh, yeah,
hot.
I forgot I was wearing red lipstick.
Really
I'm about to take this off.
I really like this one. That dress is just looks so good on you.
Yeah, I actually thrifted this in Europe.
Wow.
Mhm.
Good job.
And like,
I love how like there have been 2 turtlenecks at least so far. I would say this outfit is like a solid 9. I'd say
a solid 9? Okay,
yeah.
so the other one is still better.
Yeah, I think the one
in regards
before
to
it,
like style.
yeah, I feel like it would look good with like
I just love
the
it.
socks all the way like pulled up to your thighs.
Oh my gosh. But like, if only these were not this color, I don't know.
Well, yeah, if they were like green and they were pulled up above your knees.
I just don't have all my socks full. The color
Yeah,
of my gloves.
exactly, the color of your gloves.
Yeah, the feels. What I see. Ready?
Ooh, I like this outfit a lot too. See, these pants are like, I like them more. I don't know whether it's just the material. Yeah, they look more like they look opposite as well.
They can't see, bro. They can't see the trousers. But yeah,
I like these pants a lot. Ooh, the material's really nice.
They also have like a little gingham to them too, like close up. Like there's a little pattern to them. So I get to the party. Take off.
I like that jacket a lot too.
Oh yeah, it's
Classic.
thrifted this from Grey Dog. So
I like it with the jacket
gray.
on better.
Okay.
I really like the hat with the outfit in general.
Yeah.
It's just because the jacket without it, it's all like gray, but with it, it adds like a kind of a pop of blue.
Yeah.
And I think it works really well with like the necklace too.
What about the sheer body?
Oh yeah, I think that's a really nice
adds
touch.
like a little party vibe.
Yeah.
So what's your rating, sir?
I would give this one a solid 9 as well. This is a really good outfit.
Okay, well, I don't know. I think they're just doing one more, so hopefully it's a 10.
Oh shit, you gotta pull out all the stops for that one. I mean, this one was really,
I don't
really
know.
good though.
So, this is our textured outfit. It has all the textures.
She do be having all the textures though. Oh, I feel like you need to pull the socks all the way up.
All the way
It's
up?
bothering me how it's just wrinkled at the top, yeah. I like this outfit. This one
That's
definitely
very
feels
fun.
more casual, yeah.
Yeah, it's definitely like fun to chill house party.
Yeah, and you know I love that hat.
Yeah, this hat is always so cute with this sweater too.
This is
so
like,
cool.
yeah.
Sheer.
I feel like if you wore pants instead of those shorts, like this would be like the, just like an everyday perfect, like cute.
Yeah.
Just throw it on and you know you're cute and walk out
Like
the door.
Alright, well that was the 5th outfit, wasn't it?
Yeah. For as far as just a number rating, probably give it like an 8.5.
Okay. Then tell me which one did you think was the best outfit?
The best outfit I think was the one with like this and this. But the one
Okay.
I enjoyed the most was with this. For sure.
What about the worst? I guess this was the worst.
I mean, I don't think this is the worst. I just think
But like
that it's
the other
not
ones were better.
Yeah, it's not
I just had to get some.
the same type of outfit as the other one.
Did you have fun rating your outfits?
Yeah, it was fun.
Good.
I had dress up for me.
It's always fun having a challenge. Alright guys, thank you so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up. It would help me out a lot. And yeah, comment down below what was your favorite part. Yeah, subscribe if you haven't already. Hit the notification bell. But what you really should do if you want to keep updated with me is follow me on Instagram, because you can never trust YouTube these days. Oh, don't forget to check out Pure Leaf. Use Blair15 for 15% off. And yeah, I will see you in my next video. Bye guys.